Well, travels aren't always all fun and games. Good morning. We are on Interstate 90, just west of Chicago. We had a great 3-night stay at a county park. Met up with some friends, had some Chicago deep dish pizza. It was a fun time. Today we have about 286 miles or so, about 5 hours worth of driving. We'll split it up halfway, and we'll head into Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and we're going to tour a brewery, meet my cousin, and it should be a fun few days.
We were driving along, moderate traffic, and then all of a sudden in front of me was this metal plate. I had nowhere to go, so I just went straight over it.
We seemed to hit it straight on, so it didn't kick up, so I was hoping it didn't hit anything underneath. And a half hour later... Well, travels aren't always all fun and games. We got a check engine light that came on, and it says to check the tranny. We pull over at a Love's truck stop, and we check the tranny, and it is low, but they don't have the fluid we need here. So I'm contemplating taking the car off and running for some, and then coming back. I climbed underneath to see if there was any major leaks. I didn't see anything. It was raining, so it was kind of tough to see. So being that it was only low a little bit, I figured we'd take a chance and drive the coach there. Didn't tell Lauren how worried I was about it, but that's what we did.
So we are getting a taste of the RV life today, boy. We got a check engine, check transmission, fluid warning. We stopped at a Love's and they weren't able to help us. And we called a local Park West. Hopefully they have this fluid. And of course it's raining and it's a holiday weekend, and we're going to be passing through the Wisconsindells, which is a big tourist recreational area. So
see if we make it. I'm limping it there now.
wasn't our intended destination, but our detour to the auto parts store took us through here.
This is nice.
Look at that, a Wisconsin duck.
I want to get the what you call it, the charger thing.
Gone in circles about 3 times, I think. Google said the road was closed, and then a bridge was out that nobody knew, not the RV nor Google. And we are wandering around these back farm roads in somewhere in Wisconsin.
Plenty of corn.
We didn't have to unload the car.
Yeah, it was close. We pulled into a farm and we were able to go around their barn and get back out on the road.
Okay. Well, it's coming up. This thing peels off to the left in a little bit. The better news is we had a brewery tour at 5 p.m. and I just called them and they can do it at 6. So.
Yes. Thank goodness for that.
All right. I've checked in. And now the gentleman Ziggy is going to lead us to our site.
So after putting the fluid in, we drove probably an hour and a half, 2 hours, and I got to the campground, and I checked the tranny fluid and it was still good. But I did find a trick about checking the transmission fluid on an Allison tranny. And when you get your coach level, you hit the up and down button, hold it for 3 seconds, and it automatically checks your oil for you and displays it on the screen.
We were a sorting site along the river. So there were thousands of lumberjacks, and if you're familiar with Wisconsin, you might know it gets a little chilly here. So the woolen mill made nice warm clothes for them. There's a lot of dedication into the buildings here, preserving our legacy. We're going to get to tour the base of the 1890 structure. That's what I like to say. The most important ingredient.
Would you look at how cute this is? We just did the Leinenkugel tour, and now we're going to do a sampler. Here we are. This is episode 92. We're at the Leinenkugel Brewery in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. And this lovely, we'll show you a photo. It's a beautiful little flight with 6 5-ounce brews. There you go. They had many choices. We also, having taken the tour, you get a free pint. A number of their beers are not widely distributed on the East Coast. But very well known locally. These are all very good so far. I'm not familiar with this brewery.
I've only had their summer shandy.
Which I think on the tour she said that was their best seller.
Yeah, that's because that is available on the East Coast.
Lakeside Cherry.
That's right.
It's supposed to be. It's the same order.
It is. Yep.
It's in the same order. Lakeside Cherry. Made with real cherry root.
Yep.
Cherry juice. It's only a 4.4 and an IBU of 12. So I should like this one. Does it smell like cherry?
It's like a cherry wheat. You're gonna like it. Oh, it's not wheat though. So the mouth feels a little bit lighter.
Very tasty. I like it. We really enjoyed our visit to Leinenkugel, both the tour and all the brews. Just say cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're gonna continue enjoying this flight. Have a great day, all. After the day we had, we weren't about to cook dinner. So we found a local place, Loopy's, where of course we had the Wisconsin cheese curds and a very amazing burger.
Keep watching for when we spend a couple days in northern Wisconsin with some family.